Keep your 7.3-liter Powerstroke running at peak performance levels with the XDP 7.3L Engine Oil Cooler. A failing oil cooler can cause leaks and elevated temperatures, which can cause catastrophic damage. The XDP 7.3L Engine Oil Cooler is a direct replacement that simply installs in place of your factory oil cooler. The XD267 is made to match the OEM specifications for a factory-like fit, finish, and performance. Like all XDP products, the XDP Oil Cooler is backed by XDP's 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. To find out more about the XDP 7.3L Engine Oil Cooler, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.